Hey guys, so I'm sitting in the 2015 Toyota Camry XSE. I'm just gonna drive down to the spot where I usually park and do the review. Introducing the all-new 2015 Toyota Camry XSE in Super White. The Toyota Camry is a mid-size car that has been in production by Toyota since 1982. It was first designed as a compact four-door vehicle and later have grown to fit the mid-size classification. For 2015, it is completely redesigned with aggressive styling combined with innovative technology. The 2015 Toyota Camry stepped up to its game with a refreshed exterior and interior, added for noise insulation, and an upgraded driving dynamics, all of which that will make it an even more enjoyable experience for both the driver and its passenger. And in my opinion, I think it is one of the most good-looking Toyota Camry to date. The 2015 Toyota Camry also features a performance and sport handling suspension with recalibrated spring, shocks, and sway bars, and optimized electric power steering. The Camry suspension delivers precision performance, a smooth ride, and breathtaking handling. It also features a wider track that helps enhance agility and high-speed control so you can cut through any corners with confidence. Up front, you quickly notice the new design LED headlight that comes standard on the XSE model, LED low and high beam headlamps with black sport trim bezel and auto on and off feature. At the bottom is the stylish LED daytime running light with integrated turn signal light. Here is the sport mesh front grille with a design just as bold as its performance. The aggressive grille makes one powerful impression and is available on the Camry SE, SE Hybrid, and XSE. Beautiful lines on the hood. The front grille features a large imposing air intake that feeds vital air into the engine. The Camry XSE comes standard with 18-inch machine alloy wheels with black painted accents with 225/45 tire. Behind the wheel is the set of power-assisted, internally ventilated brake discs for the front, and the large brake caliper painted in silver, body colored side view mirror with heated option. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 18 inches and comes with a solid rear brake disc with hydraulic brake booster, electronically controlled braking system, and star safety system. To the back, you see the redesigned tail light with integrated turn signal light as well as brake light. The rear spoiler makes the back look very sporty, and it does come as a standard on the XSE model. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser with dual round chrome tip exhaust. Rear view camera is located right above the license plate. Beautiful chrome trims on the trunk lid. And there's the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Super White, featuring a full black interior with sport leather trim seats with ultra suede insert and silver accenting trims as well as red contrast stitching all around. Very good looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Toyota Camry XSE have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 24-valve DOHC with dual variable valve timing with intelligence, 6-speed automatic ECT transmission with intelligence, and steering wheel mounted paddle shifter with eco and sport mode. Pushing out 268 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in about 6.6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 122 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 21 city, 31 highway, and 25 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel with black suede insert and red contrast stitching, as well as silver accenting trims. Both front windows are fully automatic. And there's the unlock and lock buttons, side view mirror controlled, storage compartment with a cup holder, black door sill, there's the pedal, and here's a closer look at the seat with leather trims and suede insert in the middle with red contrast stitching. Now both front seats feature 8-way power adjustable driver seat with power lumbar support and 4-way power adjustable front passenger seat. Both front seats does feature heated options. The 2015 Camry now comes with a 3-spoke design steering wheel instead of a 4-spoke. It is fully wrapped in black leather with red contrast stitching and silver accenting in the middle. And it comes with multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent use function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. Behind the paddle shifter you have the windshield wiper controlled. And over here you have the light controlled as well as the turn signal light controlled. The instrument cluster features a TFT multi-information display with customized setting, odometer, trip meter, current and average fuel economy, and etc. There you have the cruise control. Steering wheel does feature manual tilt and telescopic steering column. Over to the left you have the driver's side air vent with silver accenting trims around it, blind spot monitoring system, traction controlled on and off. There's the storage compartment, and here's a closer look at the dash. Hard touch material with red contrast stitching on it as well. The Camry XSE model does come standard with Entune Audio Plus, which include the Entune multimedia bundle that features a 6.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display. Alright, on the center stack you have the dual air vent and silver accenting trims throughout the dash. And here's the look at the 6.1-inch multimedia screen. It is touchscreen.
Visit your Lancome counter today to purchase Genifique. Help St. Jude and enjoy your free gift. Only at
There you have the app buttons. And inside the app you have navigation, audio, phone, eco, setup, traffic, and weather, as well as many other features. Now the system is very responsive, as you can see, and it is very easy to use. There you have the SD card slot, emergency hazard light, dual zone climate controlled. Alright, and inside here you have the QI wireless charging system for your compatible mobile phones. No wires, no mess, totally convenient. It is available on all Camry. The wireless charging system lets you simply place your Qi compatible device on the non-slip surface to charge up wirelessly. And on the center console you have two cup holder and the gearbox. Gear lever is fully wrapped in black leather with red contrast stitching and wood trims on the knob. Just pull down to get into reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the multimeter screen with guidance line for a much easier backup. And move down again for neutral, down again for drive, and over to the left to get into sport mode or standard mode. That's when you can use the pedal shifter located behind the steering wheel to change gear. Or you can also move the lever up and down to change gear as well. And there you have the heated seat options. Storage compartment, center storage compartment with a power outlet, glove box compartment, Alright, here's a closer look at the passenger seat. Very nice sport seat. On top you have the light control and the 3-button universal garage door opener, sunglasses holder, one touch open, close and tilt moonroof. You can tilt it up or slide open. Rear view mirror, sun visor mirror with a card holder. Okay, so here's the rear seat. It is very spacious in the back and offers seating for 3. Rear seat does feature folded option. You can fold it down to 60 or 40 split to get extra cargo space. And here's the look to the rear door panel. Now let's get into the rear seat and see how it feels in the back. But first let me show you the look to the front cabin. Very nice cabin. And the look to the top. Dual air vent for the rear passenger. So I am 5'8" and I have plenty of leg room left as well as headroom. Rear seats are comfortable as well. It offers plenty of support and it is well padded. Center armrest with dual cup holder. And on top you have the light control, and there's the hook, one on each side. Here's the look to the back. Now let's pop up the trunk as well as the gas cap. The gas cap is located on the driver's side. It does not require premium fuel and holds approximately 17 gallons of fuel. So the trunk of the 2015 Camry XSE offers 15.4 cubic feet of cargo space, which is plenty of space for your needs. Down here you have your tools. And like I mentioned before, rear seats does feature folded option. Just pull those two knobs to fold down the rear seat. Let's fold it down and show you how it will look. Very simple and easy. Overall, the 2015 Toyota Camry comes with a refreshed body style, especially on the exterior. It offers seating for 5 passengers. Rear space are very spacious, and it is big enough for any size adult to be really comfortable sitting in the back, even on a long road trip. The interior, however, received minor updates, but still offer great upholstery material and nicely trimmed all around. It could be a great vehicle for family with 2 or 3 kids. Overall, I give the new Toyota Camry a score of 9 out of 10 and would highly recommend this vehicle to anyone that are considering buying a vehicle. Now let's jump into the passenger seat and see how it is in the front. So front seats are very spacious and it's very comfortable sitting in the front. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the all-new 2015 Toyota Camry. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future video of cars. And I'll see you guys next time.